Hello, this is Mihaela from Axway, and this is what's new in TSIM 391 UP35. We have continued with our library and security updates. We have looked into our customers' requests and did several enhancements. We have tackled changes in the SAP module, in the FTP module, and also we have done improvements in the partner copy mechanism. When creating a partner for FTP and deciding to copy it, sometimes users don't want to actually have also the contact person address, etc. copied as well for the partner CFG. So what we have introduced now is just a check. So basically when you are deciding to copy, you will be asked, do you want to copy the partner or not? If you will be choosing yes, let's say we are going for yes. And we are just going to copy this one. Let's save it. Good. Okay. And then let's just go and copy without copying the partner CFG data. Let's go with test 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. We can already see that the values are not displayed here, but let's just go to partner CFG as well and just check that. So we have the test 1 and then we have the test 2 without these values added, and this test 1 that was copied with the values selected with everything there. We have introduced a way to distinguish between the SAP R3 system and the SAP S4 system peers. In UI, you will be able to have now 2 tabs where you will see the R3 separate from the S4. And in order to change the default, which will be R3, maybe some of your peers you would like to be moved to the S4 tab, you will just go into this drop down and make your selection. The changes can also be done in text mode. Customers have observed that in some cases, due maybe to some SAP misconfigurations, some IDOC files are generated and are very big, and they consistently fail to load and would result maybe in IS crashes. To avoid such a functionality issue, we introduced a new parameter, max inbound file size, that can be added and configured. This way, when the size of the IDOC will be greater than the max size set up here, the file will simply be ignored and rejected, allowing the customer to not have an error that would block further functionalities. Users can disable the plain FTP server by using the new parameter added to the ftpd.cfg file, disable FTP protocol. You can set this to true, and then the plain FTP server should be disabled. The include and exclude name patterns from FTP client have been extended. Now you can make several selections: contains and ends with, begins with. By default, these are read-only and they can be set up for each partner. On top of that, if you will use the same file name when doing transfers, from now on, starting with UP35, the name will be changed, having a suffix of 1, 2, etc. to make the file names different. This is what's new in TSIM 391 UP35. For more details, please verify the Axway documentation portal and also our Tech Online. Thank you.